So let's talk about Rubi Network. Now, what really got my attention about the project is the fact that you can transfer your Rubi token from one wallet to another, even before the launch of their mainnet. And now that is what's looking into. We're going to dive deep into this project and analyze everything we need to know to see if this project is worth taking part of or not. Let's get right into it, guys. Now, here is one thing you should know about Rubi. Rubi has been around for a while. Now, Rubi began its mining activity on the 30th of April 2022, which makes it almost 4 years that they've been around, which simply means they were created in that same year. Now, their creation now is what you would call a community blockchain project. What does that mean? That means you can get Rubi without having to pay a dime. All you just need to do is to show up every day and mine the same way you do on Pi Network and B Network. Now, the wallet was launched on the 11th of July 2023. That was when the blockchain wallet was released for users. So ever since then, you can be able to transfer your Rubi token from one wallet to another wallet. Now, for transparency and blockchain operation, they opened their testnet on the 21st of June 2024. Now, speaking about transferring your Rubi from one wallet to another wallet, people are literally offering to pay you for your Rubi token. People are willing to give you cash for your Rubi token. So you can be able to exchange your Rubi token for cash. That's very interesting, right? So for those of you who have Rubi and you need cash, it is actually very possible to exchange your Rubi for cash. When you go to their Telegram page here, you can see they have about 80,000 members. And then go to their X page, you can see they have over 20,000 members, even if they've not been posting. Maybe they only make posts when they have new updates, maybe, because the last post here is as far back as July. Well, let's just stick around and see what they are about though. Now, the golden question is, what is Rubi Network? Now, Rubi Network is a project that lets you mine on your phone every single day without having to pay a dime, thereby receiving tokens as rewards. And these tokens can be converted into cash. Now, the entire idea of this old technology is to make crypto accessible to everyone, either you are rich or poor. All you just have to do is just participate with your mobile phone and an internet access. There you have it. For those of you who are interested in starting Rubi, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, and I'm also going to leave the referral code, and this is also the referral code on the screen for those of you who are willing to join Rubi and start mining. Now, here's exactly how it works. You install the mining app, you get to register, and then you show up every 24 hours to mine your Rubi token. Now, if you want to have access to your Rubi tokens, you have to carry out your KYC. So by the time you finish carrying out your KYC, you can be able to have access to your wallet, thereby being able to transfer your Rubi token from one wallet to another. That means you can choose to either sell your Rubi token or hold on to it. That would be your decision. Now, there's also something that caught my attention that I would also want to bring to your attention. Now, there's something called Trojan wallets. Early this year, Rubi Network team reported an issue involving unauthorized wallets appearing on users' accounts. They were referred to as Trojan wallets. Here is exactly what happens with the Trojan wallets. Attackers were able to access some users' accounts. And how were they able to do this? Often through phishing or compromised credentials. And then they get to create an extra wallet inside the victim account. And why is this possible? You can be able to create up to 3 wallets on Rubi Network. That is one of the reasons why I think they have that ability to be able to create external wallets, thereby being able to transfer your Rubi token to that wallet. Now, this activity prompted the Rubi team to now block every transaction. So they temporarily blocked transfers, they delayed migration while they secured the wallets. And then they were able to address this. Now, they were able to successfully flag and mark the wallets suspected of being Trojan wallets. They opened a reporting portal where you can go to report suspicious wallets. So if you find any suspicious wallet, you can go on to that portal to report the wallet as soon as possible. They are going to take immediate action. They recommended stronger security practices. Now, look at all those measures they took when something like that came about. That is to show you that the team is up and doing. That is another reason why I'm also getting on the train. Now, the question is, can people now get to transfer their Rubi token from one wallet to another? The answer is yes. So they've resolved the issue, and now you can transfer your Rubi token from one wallet to another. But you need to first meet the mining criteria. When you are successfully migrated to your wallet, you can then begin to transfer your Rubi token. So for those of you who want to join the Ruby train, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Now, I would advise strongly that you get to participate in this since you don't have to pay a dime, because it's going to actually suck if you don't benefit from the reward by the time they launch or they go live. So that's basically what I brought here today. If you like this content you just got, kindly help me tap that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just got. I'm also going to be leaving my Telegram link in the description. So for those of you who want to continue to get crypto updates from time to time, you want to know what's going on in the Web3 space, the crypto space, join that group on Telegram for frequent updates. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.